Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at SecondFloor's eFrame, which is an easy-to-use pre-packaged solution designed for small and medium-sized insurance organizations to meet their IFRS 17 regulation and reporting needs. Now, eFrame is a SaaS tool hosted by a Tier 1 data center in Amsterdam. It's accessible via virtually any kind of web browser, and it uses Microsoft Excel as the data carrier. Let's have a look. At the login dashboard, IFRS 17 regulatory updates are provided. You also have easy access to the SecondFloor help desk for any advice. On the next tab, you'll notice the access that users will have to each reporting cycle. New cycles can be quickly set up and easily navigated. The current cycle process is contained within Publishing Events. On the left-hand side is the configurable hierarchy, which can be built up using a mixture of measurement models, products, business lines, cohorts, or entities. The right-hand side shows the applicable reporting items for each hierarchy node. As a result, consolidated reporting can be performed at each node of the hierarchy. Now, this is a feature that is often excluded from other compliance-focused prepackaged solutions. eFrame is a template-based tool which enables you to select the input template, download it, complete it, and then re-upload it for each item. Installation and integration are straightforward and really easy to start using. The process transitions through inputs split by unit of account, starting with accounting and actuarial inputs, followed by discounting methodology, IFRS 17 reconciliations, data checks, and finishes with reports, disclosures, and journal entries. An interesting feature provided by SecondFloor is a dependency logic. Here the precedents, in this case discounting, and the dependents, in this case reconciliations, are easily identifiable, and there really are two great benefits here. Firstly, this provides a logic for users to see how the data is flowing. But secondly, if there are new inputs, it will invalidate and recalculate consumed data items. In addition, your users can see all inputs and revisions provided for a certain item in the tool's history window. It captures who's made which changes and when. A comparison feature will then highlight the exact difference in data between two revisions uploaded. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Audit Events bar. This captures user activity, but the real value added here is that it provides a simple and efficient method of investigating why a process step has failed. The failure event creates a report highlighting what has been rejected and why, and upon opening it, you will see the details of the blocker. When it comes to IFRS 17 groups, these are easily created with each group being a unit of account. eFrame brings through the opening balance, calculates all movements, and the closing balance. In the actual input template, the actuals for premiums and acquisition costs can be directly input on a group-by-group basis. Once all actuals and cash flow projections have been entered, reconciliations are performed for remaining coverage and incurred claims. The template provides a dashboard of data validations highlighting which category the failure occurs in. You can open them, you can click on them, which will then show you precisely where the failure is occurring. The reconciliations contain sub-calculation models for new business, acquisition costs, interest accretion, and experience adjustments. The final IFRS 17 output is presented in the analysis of movement per unit of account, with all accounting movements from opening to closing. In case more details are required, the sub-calculation for it is listed next to the movement. eFrame's handy reporting dashboard reflects all validation passed and failed, key profit lines, KPIs, and analysis by portfolio, which can be performed at any level of hierarchy. Summarized reports are provided in a table format, for example, a profit and loss, a balance sheet, all the notes to the financial statements, and last but not least, the liability reconciliations. And finally, eFrame provides the postings for your general ledger. Now, these can be entirely tailored to match your general ledger codes and the descriptions with the corresponding debits and credits. So in summary, eFrame by SecondFloor provides an intuitive, straightforward package ideal for smaller organizations that need a rapid deployment of an IFRS 17 compliant tool. Now, it's in the little details like the guidance on the landing page, the friendly Excel interface, the logical sequence of steps, as well as the efficient error resolution methods that really make for an intuitive journey within eFrame. If you'd like to learn more, visit us on our website at DemoCentre.io and book yourself in for the next demo with one of our consultants. Thanks for watching.